One thing we learn in life is to try. Keep trying even if there are trouble. There must be a lot of reason to stop, to worry, and to give up. But no, everyone must to continue to thrive life. It is unless to think of yesterday. It is unless to think of the future. Because at the end of the day, what we only have is today. We have used trend if we use today well. Of course, words are not enough, but good habits can really help. You want to get good result, get good habits. Good habits to learn, to work, to play, and so on. So whether there are trouble, a good habit permits us to still grow and improve.